Hello. Hello. Yeah, I guess you can hear me. I guess you can hear me. Okay. Okay. Understood. I guess you can hear me. I hope that you can hear me. So today what I'm going to do, I'm just going to improve the auth flow in my iOS application. Okay. So what I want to do, there's a flow like when a new user sign up, it has to confirm the email with the code we sent using Cognito. So, but like there is a possibility that user doesn't complete the like sign up and the confirmation and close the app in between. In that case, we will end it up having a user on the Cognito side, but unconfirmed user, not confirmed user. So if next time when user will try to register with the same email, we will get the email already exists error or the validation error, but the user is not confirmed. So we have to handle that thing on the front end first and then the back end. So how it will be working on the back end, basically we just need to maintain a logic where we have to send, like we have to resend the confirmation code to the user. And how can we do that? There is a like resend confirmation code API on the AWS Cognito side which we need to use. So first I'm going to handle the front end. Yeah, of course I'm going to use AI because I'm not well versed with the script, but somehow I will be able to manage. And later I will try to implement the same, or I will be implementing logic on the backend side, which is a Golang, to handle the this new feature in the app. So this is what I'm going to do. So let's start. First, I'm just going to start a new chat with the AI and ask. I'm going to ask few questions, and then I'll let you know like what is the progress. So act as Swift UI iOS developer expert. Need to net Auth from my iOS currently. Okay, now I'm just like I won't be talking much, but all I will doing like just like doing things. So when I'll be writing code on the Xcode side, then you will be able to see. As of now, like I have only login thing. Like you can log in, but I have to have like a confirmation screen, and then I have to have a resend code screen as well. So basically, like, there are 2 to 3 tasks which I need to implement back and forth. Okay, so let's do this. First, I want to ask some questions to the AI. Okay, let me tell you like how I work with the AI. So maybe I can show that to you. So that will, you can also learn like how to use it. Wait, let me see if I can share that. Uh, how can I share my screen? With a Brave browser. No. Okay. Now I guess you can see the screen. Perfect. Okay. So currently I'm working on link outflow coding backend. According to my, I have few questions to ask. Outflow here. User sign up created in user pool but not confirmed yet. We'll send a code to email user need to confirmation type on the email can confirm the email and user pool. The user will get marked as confirmed user. That's fine. Next user can log in. Okay. But if a user sign up and refuse to confirm the email and do not complete the confirmation, then we have the user in AWS pool, but it is not confirmed. So I have a way to solve it, but you tell me if is that correct or not. I'm going to solve it on the Swift UI side. Swift UI side first. Otherwise, I have to make many DB and AWS API calls to check for the user if it's confirmed or not. Every time a user logs in. So once user install the application, do we have some way to store things like this user has confirmed the email. So next time when user logs in, we just look into that data that data within the app, and of course make an API call data within the app and let the user log in. So basically I have a route to send the confirmation code to the backend. Here it is. Wait, let me. Okay, let me provide the code first. So basically, make clean first. Let me stop my Kubernetes server. I mean cluster, which is like just wasting resources. Perfect. So basically, what do I have here? I have router, and then I have this route, and I will share the code from the iOS side, so you can help me. So basically, this is a URL where I just need to post the confirmation code, and it has a particular format like confirmation request, and this is the confirmation request. Okay, you send the email and the what. Need to send the email and the code basically. Auth responses and the request responses, confirmation registration response. Okay, so I have response as well. This is the response. So as of now, I'm sharing all the Swift UI code, and you can understand how things are going on. First of all, I just want to share the auth manager file. Okay, this is the auth manager file. This is the auth manager file basically, and then another file I have a auth service where I think I really need to add that new route. So this is auth service. Below is the auth service where you need to add the new route. Okay, this is the auth service. Okay, so what we need to do, we need a new screen and features, confirm user views, confirm user view dot swift. Just create a simple text field for email and for the code and a button to send the code and make the request. First of all, of course, I want to do that first. Okay, would I want that? Okay, we need this. Yeah, we need this screen because my idea is simple. I just want to save a state on this screen. If a user like after register, okay, no. Okay, understood. So basically, what I want is if user try to register with the register screen, sign up screen, need to save a state in the app, like user with this email not confirmed the email yet, and later and later when user try to confirm the email from confirm registration screen, need to update this state to confirmed and save, and we can just check user try to log in after log out. Is this a correct way? First let me know if you have some other grade way. If you have some other way, let me know first. Currently I have not implemented the sign up screen logic to make a request. So wait, I think I have sign up request, sign up response, sign up view. I have sign up view, sign up model. I have sign up model, and yeah, it is calling the perform sign up. Understood. Okay. So if you have some other, let me know first. Currently I don't have a screen for confirmation registration. I want you to provide me the screen and the view model. For example, I'm providing the features login code to refer like how I am implementing now. Features रात का टाइम आई डोंट नो, मैं इतना लिख रहा हूँ. अगर इसका सर्वर बिजी आया, like if the cloud is currently down and then our time, like then basically it will be a waste of time. Let's see. So features login and login view, login sheet view. So this is the code, login sheet view. I don't think should I give it, because that doesn't make any sense. I think view model will work. Login view model, login view model. Okay, login request, login response, login response. I have response and responses in login model. So let's create the same in features, confirmation, registration, view, confirmation, registration, registration models. Provide me view and view model completely. I give you auth service, auth manager. Did I? Auth manager, auth service as well. Now what should I give? API client? No, doesn't need. API endpoint? I don't think you need it. API logger? I don't think you need it. You need auth service only. Yeah. Don't assume. I think just ask if you have some doubts. Ask for anything before starting. Hopefully it should work and I should not get the limit constraint error, although I have the pro version, but let's see. By the way, am I showing the Xcode? Wait, no. I'm showing this. Okay. Looking at outflow, I have a question for implementing. Okay, when should the confirmation appear? Right or sign up automatically navigate the confirmation screen. Should user manually navigate the section. Right after the 200 message from server, if a user able to register himself basically, whatever it is, who cares. Email persistence for confirmation. Should the email field be populated? Yeah. Whatever is easy, do that. Filling the field itself would be much better. Listen opportunity. Do you have backend to send the confirmation? Ignore this part for now. As we did not implement it yet. Error handling for login methods from email. Do you want to automatically redirect them to the confirmation screen? We don't have this too. That's the whole point. We don't have that too for now, but I want to assume that we have, and first I want to solve it on the iOS side. If you got me, if you. The process string has some consideration. Reduce backend calls, Stay could be out of sync if user confirms from another device. Okay. Of course. Last and login email locally using the default keychain. When backend returns email not confirmed, Successful confirmation possibly logging out automatically. Additional backend info needed. Separately. No. Here's the keychain code. Here's my keychain code for now. Keychain manager. I think code, network, service, auth manager, keychain manager. Auth service, network, API client, auth manager, storage, keychain manager. Keychain. I'm just trying to show you that how you can use AI actually to work in your day-to-day life for some production level code. Anyways, so for now, I want to I want to move forward with a first approach. What I have told you, I don't want to implement new features on the backend side for now. So let's save the state on the app side for now and only remove the state when user uninstall the app. Let's see. Okay. A lot of info. Let's see what happens. These requirements will implement confirmation feature with local state management security complete solution. These are the user defaults manager for tracking email confirmation status. User defaults manager. Okay, let me change the screen and let's start working on the Xcode now. Perfect. It likes to. I wrote everything with Spring back in the same way. Aha. I used to work with Spring when I was in bank. Now I quit and work on Golang full time finally. By the way, yeah, I think I did not talk about it, but I quit my job at the bank and I joined another company where overall I just got promoted to the tech lead. So yeah, now I work as a tech lead completely with the Golang finally. But yeah, I worked for a year in the spring. Yeah. Anyways, I think you are able to see the Xcode, correct? Are you still watching the browser? But no, it should be Xcode now. Yeah, it is Xcode now. Okay, let's start working with the Xcode. So let's see what it is saying to me. It's saying that let's create a user defaults manager. So create a user defaults manager file in the core storage. So we have a core and we have storage. So let's create a new empty file. user defaults user defaults manager. Okay, user defaults manager, this is the file, and here you need to implement something called unconfirmed emails, lost or registered email, marked emails confirmed, mic unconfirmed, emails confirmed. Okay, basically we have just like few functions to check if the email is confirmed or not, which I requested to AI to do for me. So this is the code provided by the AI, because okay, user defaults, we have few keys. We are marking an email as unconfirmed, marking confirmed, getting an email if it's unconfirmed or not. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Perfect. Understood. Yeah, that worked. I mean, that should work. I don't know now. Yeah, that should work. Let's see next. Let's create models for confirmation. So we have to create new features. So close the home, close login, close sign up, close everything. In features, create new folder called confirm registration. Confirm registration, and then let's create new folder called models. Inside the models, create new folder, not folder, create a new empty file, and file should be confirm registration models. Okay, fine. Simply add two things, of course, the shape of data for the confirmation request and the confirmation response. Fine, because like this should match your backend basically, otherwise you might get error. Let's go to your auth service. Oh, go to your auth service. Near auth service, what you need to do, of course, you need to add a new method, new case, which is here after logout. Okay, and a new case, most probably here. Okay. I don't know how to do like code formatting, auto code formatting in Swift. If you know, please let me know. Or of course, I'll search. Uh, okay, then I have to add here that now I have one more HTTP thing, confirm registration. Uh, mhm. Yeah, confirm with the registration. Nice. And headers is fine. Body and data here I have to add. I think I have to add this. Let's copy paste to save our time. Dot register again. Oh, fuck. Yeah, nice. That's fine. Now our service, of course, we have to add this as well. Protocol is like, I think, I guess protocol are like interfaces basically. You have a protocol which you have to follow, which you have to implement. So protocol are like interfaces in Swift. Like जितना मेरे को समझ में आया. So as like whatever based on my experience, protocol are just the interfaces, nothing else. You create a protocol and just follow it. Simple. So this is a method to confirmation response. Do request, get the request endpoint, get the endpoint, auth endpoint. This is the auth endpoint enum. Confirm request, and the confirm request coming from, like click coming from here, and go to auth service, and yeah, fine, makes sense. यहाँ तक सब ठीक है. Now let's create a confirmation registration view model. Okay. So confirmation registration, close the model, create new folder called confirm registration view model. No, that's the wrong name, because we know we are already inside the confirmation model. No? So view models, and inside the view models, create a new empty file and the file should be confirm registration view model. Confirm registration view model नाम सही है, ठीक है, perfect. तो ये view model I'm gonna copy as it is because it's not going to be difficult to understand. I can explain it very easily as soon as I get it. Okay, so क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? You have email code, email error, code error is loading, show error message, confirmation success, fine. You have success, okay. My whiskey is done. Then we have auth service. Of course, we need auth service. We need the default manager. Why do we need it? Because we want to access, like say, revoke or save some state related to users. A pre-fill email if the provided from sign up flow. If let email self.email understood. Try to get last registered email. So user defaults manager get last registered email. Let's see this message. Get the last registered email. User default string for keys or registered email raw value. Last registered email. Perfect. Okay. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया. Simple logic. Is form valid? ठीक है. Discardable result. ठीक है. Validation. Confirm email registration is form valid. Then call these. I mean, perform this task. This task is this. Perform confirmation. Okay. Do response. Ask confirmation. Approve response. Pause that mark email. Mark email as confirmed in local storage. Fill the code field. Perfect. क्या हो गया यहाँ पे? Has not bad request. Okay, I think network error में I don't have anything called bad request. So that error need to be solved. Handle network error. Invoke information call, please check. Should we create one? Request. Bad request return bad request 403. I don't know. Again, I'm not well with the Swift, so I'm just trying to get myself comfortable. Anyways, if that works, then let's create view now. So in features, close this, create a new folder called views or views, and in the views create a new file from template because it should be UI file, and here let's create the view, and view में error है या नहीं, we can see that in the preview screen. बड़ा view बनाया है इसने यार. Let's see. This is what AI gave to me on change. This is deprecated here. Okay, let's see how our views look like. Just one iOS stream. I didn't know like I can do this task. Okay. कहीं error है क्या? 8 warnings. Just build succeed. Okay, you don't have any error. Okay, so navigation manager login should navigate to the login rule. Did you dismiss view model? Should navigate to the login. ज़रूरी नहीं इसने I think over complicate किया इसको. I don't think so. Wait, let's talk to the update login view model to check for the unconfirmed emails. Login view model. Okay. Login view model. Add this property. Show confirmation email screen. AI now sometimes like it's very irritating. I didn't ask for such thing, but still I didn't ask यार for this. And it's like just overcomplicating. We don't need it. ये step by step था, ये बात का step था, ये बाद में करना था. So like we don't break the flow and we don't break our code, but no, इसका अलग ही खुजली है. जो ना आपको वो करने की। एनीवेज what the fuck is doing here? In your sign up fee model of successful registration. ठीक है यार, समझ गया मैं। Sign up fee model, add these two values. ठीक है, इसके बाद परफॉर्म साइन अप इधर है, परफॉर्म साइन अप इधर है, ये रहा। डू लेट रिस्पॉन्स इफ रिस्पॉन्स डॉट सक्सेस, अरे लेट रिस्पॉन्स इफ रिस्पॉन्स इज सक्सेस, यूज़र डिफॉल्ट रजिस्टर्ड ईमेल। ऐसे क्या कर रहा है ये? इफ रिस्पॉन्स डॉट सक्सेस, ठीक है। इफ रिस्पॉन्स सक्सेस रजिस्टर्ड ईमेल साइन अप मैसेज display form, fuck, let's do this. It's a little bit irritating but it's fine. The fuck off auto code formatting is shift. Oh. Okay, so mark the email as unconfirmed in local storage. Why? And there is no. Now this irritating me. Yeah, this AI now this irritating me. Let me talk to it. AI, you are just overcomplicating the confirm registration screen. I just wanted the simple feature to make a request to confirm the email with the code, and I have an error in the file sign up view model. I literally don't have much experience with this Swift, of course. Response success, sign up response doesn't have any value. Perfect, it doesn't have, इसने कहाँ से देख के लगा दिया सक्सेस तो है ही नहीं। Okay, fine. We have 10 minutes more. You're right, I overcomplicated it. Let's provide simpler solution, fix it. Oh, let me ask the structure of sign up response. What the fuck? When you don't know that, then ask, na. I told you to ask. First, let me ask the situation it seems to have success field. Yeah, of course, it's a success field. Simple models. पहले भी simple थे model तो लाला. Confirm method. Simple computer model. Do not make things complicated. I want to go step by step. don't provide the same code you have already provided. Just provide the necessary changes. बड़ा मुश्किल है काम करना यही के साथ में यार, especially when it just don't listen to you at all. Fix sub sign off model. Okay, let's first fix sub sign off view model. क्या घोची करी इसने? Study में हैं? अबे तो ये reading. Okay, fine. क्या? Oh भैया, what the hell? Who will save the user's email for unconfirmed registration in sign up view model? You remove that code. And sign up view के अंदर add navigation to confirmation screen, confirmation registration. हाँ ठीक है, समझ गया. confirmation view वो जो इसने करा है, वो इसने confirmation view के अंदर ईमेल ले रहे हैं क्या हम? state of binding object नहीं. First fix the sign up view model. It was fucked up, completely fucked up. I think this should look like this. I mean, this should look like response dot confirmation needed. That's it. It fixed now. Fixed now. The confirmation view provide a completely new views which you need to implement. Confirmation view. Email string. सत्यानाश मैंने देखते ही बोल दिया था कि इसने सब गुड़ गोबर कर दिया, दे दिया भर के अननेसेसरी. हे भगवान. Thank God, it's working. ये पेड़ा ही कर गया इसका तो. Confirmation view model, simpler confirmation view model. Let's see क्या सिंपल है इसमें. ठीक है. अरे इतना सिंपल क्यों कर दिया? सब कुछ हटा ही दिया. Come on, will succeed fine. I'll leave it. Simple confirmation decision view. ठीक है. Auth service add confirmation method you already added. ठीक है. Confirmation registration view. ठीक है. That's fine. That's okay. And sign up view. Okay. So we have a sign up view here, and we have to add a new sheet. Like how? What the fuck? I don't know. It's completed. Here is the sign up You let me know what to do with it and where to add the upper code. I know I want to add a sheet, but like where? I think here. Fold it. Alert message. Alert success message. I don't know. The success alert then confirmation sheet. As I guess here. But why? Finding sheet object. Investigate success alert. Why? Alert error. Remove the old success alert and on change. Another sheet. Just want to change the on change and the alert. For me to remove this part and for me to add this and add the part of dot sheet. I don't know if it will work or not, but let's see. It's present. If you remove this part and first you remove this part, sucks. Yeah. Okay. Confirmation success. I'll sign up here. Understood. Perfect. So basically अब sign up पे let's see जैसे कि मैंने करा चिन्मय आनंद and email should be chinmay@gmail.com. Perfect. Basically just open up a sheet for me where I can confirm the email content is working fine or not. Let's see. Okay, so today's live stream is going to be ended for now. I will just check the changes. I'll just confirm the changes we have made, and in the next live stream, I'll show you if the changes are working or not. If the most of the changes will work because I have confidence about the code provided by the AI because this wasn't a difficult issue. But I think in the next live stream, for the same task, for the same issue, there will be sub issue I'll be solving, and that will be related to the backend in Golang. So that will be, I think, more interesting if you are more interested in the backend, basically. So yeah, if you were watching, then thank you for watching, and now coding on your own takes successful coding is 8 takes 10 times more time. Take time, but but it but it does not take that much time always if you know the basics of something. Because जैसे ही कुछ गलत होता है तो मुझे पता चल जाता है कि गलत है, whether I know the language or not, but because my fundamentals are very better और very clear, so मुझे समझ में आ जाता है कि कुछ तो गलत हुआ है. जैसे कि इसने डिफ़ॉल्ट यूज़र डिफ़ॉल्ट मैनेजर के अंदर ईमेल को सेव नहीं किया था आफ्टर द रजिस्ट्रेशन, जैसे कि यहाँ पे साइन अप व्यू मॉडल में ना, यहाँ था क्या, हाँ यही तो होना चाहिए. हाँ, जो इसने एक कोड दिया वहाँ पे ये लाइन मिसिंग थी. सो मुझे देख के समझ में क्या आ गया कि लॉजिकली इफ़ कंफर्मेशन नीडेड तो ईमेल इस डिफ़ॉल्ट स्टोरेज में जाना चाहिए, बट वो नहीं था. सो ऑफ कोर्स when you're alive while coding using AI, it's fine. Yeah, sometimes it takes time. वो तब होता है जब जैसे कि मेरे साथ कि I'm not experienced person in Swift, so yeah, but यही situation अगर Golang की होती तो maybe. What's your approach to learning new things? My approach, just make projects. Just make projects as much as you can. Just look at my GitHub, you will know. Just make projects as much as you can. Anyways, going to shut down the stream and see you in the next stream. Bye bye. Thank you. I think app is now this app will work for now. Okay, for to Kunal, I want to say something. Say something. I'm working on. If you know, you know. Anyways, bye bye, tada. Yeah, okay. Thank you for watching.